ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Rakkam isang mau bulang unang yalam ke National People's Party bermenteri ke Sarkar Jela ula Maham beladadan ke Jingpen Kela hak state reservation policy kelak berwandra ke Ktah hak buar jangkaan. Hak jengkeran bekela patai kubor Rakkam mulong ke badan kam mentah kalong ban update ya ke jing ajung mut jang expert committee belathong ke Sarkar Jela kena makan ommi kenu-kenu ke jing hadin habun.
Look, yeah, to some extent because like many has been misunderstood and some political party has misinterpreted and have give assurance, but to me don't make it. I'm just making it very very serious statement now. Look, this reservation policy was framed, if I'm not wrong, 9 days before the inauguration of the Meghalaya full-fledged. 9 days, 9 or 10 days ahead, then the full-fledged state was declared. It's on 12th of January 1972, right? If I'm not wrong. So, because of certain challenges, the rise of unemployment, educated unemployment, this is going to be crisis for not only for the state, but across the world now. Across the world, unemployment issues is a crisis is happening across the world, not only for Meghalaya, not only for India, be it America, be it the UK, the European Union, the Chinese, right, all over the world now. So yes, what our president has said is truly correct. But to me, I'm not speaking as a minister today. But to me, any change in the job creation policy may be a very serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of law. This doubt, or clear all this doubt, let the expert committee suggest and advise to us what is happening, right? So look, in view of the clear constitutional provision, in view of the clear Honorable Supreme Court judgment about ceiling of 50% ceiling, right, for any state. Look, state, I think that any changes may have a serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of law. So therefore, I think I don't know. Let's wait what the expert committee suggests to us. But if anything happen, it will be great loss for our indigenous people of our state. Suppose the constitutional provision and the Honorable Supreme Court judgment is meant to be applied tomorrow, the ceiling 50% reservation will be great loss for all the indigenous people, our young people of the state. So, but having said so let's wait for our expert. The government has constituted an expert committee to suggest to us, to the state government, and accordingly we can see what the outcome will be.